that made this event possible. Thank you for always inspiring us and for making our workplace a home and a family. Thank you so much. Before we start, kanina, Sir Nicky gave us the opening remark. So, one sentence there strike my ears. So, sabi niya, during the opening remarks, it was us, kita mga empleyado daw, executed for the success. But I want to return back the honor, Sir Nicky, to all our bosses, because we will not be as good in our field kung wala mo. So, your guidance is always our pillar to do better every day. So, actually, I call you my bosses, my boss, not because mga boss mo, but because for me, a boss is the one who is building opportunities, sustaining success. So, by that, you're also the ones who is bringing out the strength for each and every one of us. So, kamo yun ang among mga kusog every day. So, congratulations to all of us. We are all winners, okay? Competition is just a word. But actually, the best thing about the competition is that nakita nato na kung kayo sana dahita na successful ang tanan. Diba? So congratulations to all the participants for showcasing not only your talents but also true sportsmanship. You made today's activity enjoyable, exciting, meaningful for each and every one. You entertain us. Not just entertain us, you make us laugh, and that makes the celebration more special. Also, in behalf of GMGHC, our sincere thanks as well to our judges and to our honored guests for sharing your time, presence, and wisdom with us today. Your support added really great value to this celebration. Thank you so much. Most especially to all our employees, thank you and congratulations once again for the job well done. Your teamwork, dedication, and effort truly made this Christmas party a success. A big success, actually. And tonight, all of us, once again, are winners. To everyone who took this party, this program, successful, thank you for your cooperation, especially to the organizers. We really enjoy with such an energy. No? Thank you so much. This celebration reminds us that beyond our work, what truly matters is the bond we share as a team. Thank you. As we move forward, may this season remind us of gratitude, unity, and joy. Merry Christmas! Cheers to more success together for this coming year. By the way, there will be an after-party celebration. Enjoy, guys. Have some drink. Enjoy the night. But always remember to drink in moderation. Good night.
Thank you so much.